In order to use Mesquite on a virtual desktop, go to desktop.lmu.edu, click on Horizon HTML Access. It will prompt you to log in with your LMU credentials and select Student in the drop-down menu. Then you'll click Virtual Computer Lab. And it will take you to your individual desktop, specific to you. But some folders will be universal for all of you, and one of them is biology. If you double click on it, you will see Mesquite folder here. And what would you do for the first time is to double click on this file. It will place muscle into the right place. You have to wait until this file runs Mesquite window. It doesn't run Mesquite window for me because I already did it once, but for you it should start open and close Mesquite window. It will take about 15 seconds, and once all windows automatically close on its own, you should be good to go and just double click mesquite.exe. Afterwards, you're ready to do your trees analysis. In order to analyze DNA data, you would have to download it by going into the web browser. I have it already open. Brightspace, in week 14, the file called week 14 5 text documents for sequence analysis, and you click download. So you can see I already downloaded here, and here it is. It's on my desktop. As you see, this is zipped, and if you can see compressed zipped folder. So in order to unzip it, you click extract all. It will ask you where you want it to be extracted. Since I already have it, I'll just replace it. And now your files are unzipped and ready to be used. Now I go back to my Mesquite and open file. Follow the direction, and I will open one of those files. Choose faster DNA. Save. I already have this file because I've done it before. And here we are. To move on, I just click Alter, Align Multiple Sequences, Muscle Align. No. As you can see, the path is already preset in those settings. You just click OK. And this is how aligned sequences look like. My next step will be to trim them.